A is for angelfish, swimming with grace. B for blue whale, king of the ocean space. C is clownfish, orange and white. D, the dolphin, leaping with delight.
E stands for eel, slithering through the reef. F is for flounder, flat beyond belief. G's the grouper, big and round. H, hammerhead shark, cruising without a sound. I is for inky squid, hiding in the dark. J is jellyfish, glowing like a spark. K is killer whale, black and white. L for lionfish, spine shining bright. M is manatee, gentle sea cow. N, narwhal with its tusk, oh wow. O is octopus, arms all around. P, puffer fish, when scared gets round. Q is for quail, a clam in the sand. R, ray gliding like a flying hand. S is seahorse, tiny and cute. T, sea turtle, on a long commute. U's for urchin, spiky little ball. V, viperfish, teeth standing tall. W, walrus with its tusks so long. X is x-ray fish, swimming along. Y is for yellowtail, darting through the sea. Z, zebrafish, striped as can be. From A to Z, ocean life so cool, swimming in nature's biggest pool. Now you know your ABCs of creatures living in the seas. Next time you're at the ocean blue, remember the friends we've introduced to you.